Hello, Psych class. This is a short tutorial on how to use the Google Docs Explorer tool in order to provide the APA citations needed for the 9 questions you are answering as part um, of your career project. And so you can see here, this is the document that looks exactly like the one that you have in Google Classroom. And again, because each of you have your own copy, absolutely feel free to answer your questions directly on the document itself. I do, as you can see, prefer that you use a different color for ease of grading. And so obviously the first one probably doesn't need a citation in that, right? That's just my opinion. This is the field I've selected to research. But we get to question 2 here that's asking us what knowledge, skills, abilities, tools, and technologies do students need to enter and succeed in this career? Hmm. Well, I'm guessing I probably need to go to the internet to do some research to see what types of skills, abilities, and tools I will need in my future teaching career, right? And so we could come up here and open a new tab and go to the internet and search, but I know that there's probably a little bit of anxiety concerning this APA citation, in that most of you are more familiar with MLA from your humanities and language arts classes. But in a social science, we use APA. And so, a really easy way to do this is to just stay within your Google Doc itself and use what's down here called the Explore tool. It looks like a little, I don't know, like star design um, down here. And so if you click on this, it opens up a search browser within your Google Doc. And so, okay, you can see some things I've written about here in the past. Okay, well, no kidding. I write about psych a lot. Okay. But for this case, I need to know something regarding teaching. So let's look for skills needed in the teaching career. Okay. Oh, here comes up the search results. Teaching skills list and examples. 15 professional development skills for modern teachers, 9 useful skills for teachers. Um, Teach skills you need. Okay. There looks like some decent resources out there. Let's just go explore this one. Okay. So you'll notice that Google has opened that in a new tab. If I'm using the Chrome browser, oh, of course, this website uses cookies. All right, I'm informed about your policies. Okay. So I'm going to read through. Let's see, what do they have? Oh, yeah, we can shape lives. Cool. It's incredibly rewarding. Absolutely. In my biased opinion, I agree. Aha, here we go. Here are some of the skills I might need to write about in my paper, right? And so even if I'm not directly quoting this website, it is still important to cite our sources. And so it looks like, okay, I've got a good idea of what I want to type here. So to be a good teacher, a person needs to be confident. Hello, come back here to us. There we go. Confident, kind, and but no, I'm going to impress my teacher. I'm going to use the word compassionate, um, caring individuals. A teacher should have good organizational skills. Um, I knew I typed that wrong. Hey, let's click fix on that. There, that's what I meant to say. Organizational skills. What else was on that website? Um, oh, deal with conflict and be a good motivator. Okay. Um, good organizational skills. Deal effectively with conflict and be able to motivate others to learn. Okay. Yay, go me. All right, so that came from this website, okay? Now, instead of coming up here and copying, pasting the URL, and then going to some sort of citation generator to get this in APA format, looky what Explore is going to do for us. Here's the one we used. Before I cite it, see cite as footnote. Before I do that, you want to make sure Explore is defaulted to APA. And see, I think that it automatically is clicked on MLA. So I change it to APA format. Okay, it's ready to roll. I come down to the one I used and I hit insert as footnote. So you'll notice that it put a little number 1 is that is the first citation footnote, and ta-da! Look what it did at the bottom of the page. Okay? It put in proper APA formatting the site that I just used. Okay? So it's as simple as that, right? You go to the next question, right? What do you actually do in this career? What types of job training? So for each one, you can just come over here, go to Google Explore, do if you need a new search, right? Type it in up there, get the answers you need, hit the quotation. Okay. We're going to do one more just to help you in case you're still confused. Let's jump down to number 6. How much do people earn? I'm going to do average, or what do we want to do? Salary range for high school teachers. Here we go. Um, US News, Best Jobs, payscale.com. Yeah, I don't know. Let's click and see what it says. How much money should I be making? Um, Dang. Okay. Average high school teacher salary. Okay, so there it is, right? So we'll go back down here. I'm going to make it red, and I'm going to say the average high school teacher salary is 48,700. Oh, 712. Okay, $712. Okay. And then we got to cite that bad boy. So I'm going to go, where did we get that from? This one. Cite as footnote. There it is, the number 2. And there it is at the bottom. Okay. Oh, fail. Why did it make it red? Oh, it's because I have the font on red. Okay, so just know you could go back and put that on a more academic looking citation color. Okay, so hopefully this little quick tutorial helped. I can obviously help you out in class if you are still confused after watching. Right? Go forth and research your future career.